What's up, guys? This is Walker with the Car Guys YouTube channel. We have a 2022 King Ranch F350 dually. This thing is sweet. We about to dive in on it. Jake, where you at, man?
What's crickety cracking, guys? This is Jake Fry, the Car Guy, and we are checking out our beautiful 2022 custom ordered F350 King Ranch. That's right. That means you can go hit us up at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com and custom order just about any Ford brand vehicle that you might want to take home. Let us know and we'll get it going for you. This is a beautiful star white paired with the 6.7 diesel engine with our Super Duty 6-speed transmission. And I mean, this is an absolutely fantastic King Ranch. It's a beautiful truck. As far as features go, we've got some super upscale, super nice features to talk about, from our wraparound signature LED lighting from Ford for our bigger, improved Super Duty headlights, to our newly redesigned front grille, front fascia with the multi-bar setup. We've got our chromed out heavy duty front hooks. If you're going to be using a dually, you're probably going to be using some front hooks if you're using the truck to do the job. We've got our fog lights down low, and this is chromed out to the max. So chrome front grille, chrome front bumper, and that camera there actually goes to a 360 camera on our big Ford Oval blue badging there. That 360 camera, I couldn't imagine a truck I'd want to have that feature more than a dually King Ranch Super Duty diesel truck, because you're going to see a top-down view with your cameras in your side and your front that actually lets you park and maneuver this truck. Heck, even set up a trailer. I mean, it's going to be a super easy truck to get the job done. You see there, we've got our nicely polished Ford. I believe these are 17-inch wheels with your locking hubs we see there. And then when Walker pans up, we'll see our King Ranch F350 badging with our adjustable power tow mirrors here. They are a dual setup, so you've got a higher and a lower mirror, as well as blind spot integrated in with that nice matching chrome trim, chrome cap for your mirrors there. Chromed out door handles. And as we come around to the rear, the first thing we're seeing is that meat we're packing. The dual rear wheel F350 four-wheel drive setup gets the job done better than just about any truck that is comparable on the market today. Excuse me. Dual rear exhaust with your King Ranch specific tailgate here, chromed out again to the max to match your rear bumper with the parking sensors on the rear. So when you're backing up a big truck like this, maybe it's your first time out, it's still not going to be a problem with the 2022 F350. We see our backup camera here, and with the touch of a button, I've got my hydraulically releasing tailgate. And what's that we're packing on the interior of our tailgate? It is the integrated tailgate step. And keep in mind, the integrated tailgate step is a super expensive feature to add aftermarket to your truck. You're actually going to need to replace your tailgate. So get it from the factory, get it right when you order it from Walker Paul and Jake Fry, the Car Guy, because we will get you the truck you need. We'll get you the truck you want. No problem. Delivered here, we call it the hater-free sales process. You don't know nothing about that until you've worked with Jake and Walker Paul.
That's right.
As far as our bigger, I believe this is our 8-foot bed, and it's got your LED utility setup. So push of a button will set up your lights so that you can work at night. And we've got our tie-down points as well. So when we're hauling those bigger loads, large piece of furniture, whatever it is, work site materials, it's going to be secured easily in your F350. No problem whatsoever. You've already got your bigger hitch set up, and this bed has already been pre-drilled for a fifth wheel or a gooseneck setup. So this truck is ready to do the job. It's ready to get to work straight from the Ford factory, built to your custom order, comes here, and you get it rolling. I'm going to start this truck up. We'll get a cold start on that 6.7 diesel engine, and we'll see how it sounds. And hopping on into the interior, in my opinion, is really when that wow factor starts to come out. From your specialty King Ranch specific leather, this is a different saddle leather type material used only on the King Ranch, is not present in any other F-150. It is similar, however, to our King Ranch Expeditions and Explorers, which are a newer trim level we're seeing in 22-23. You've got your King Ranch badging that everyone knows and everyone loves, and your two-tone leather seats with that nice kind of mocha appearance. Same matching seats in the rear, and we've actually got our Car QI wireless all-weather floor mats installed in here. It took us about a minute. We suggest you check out our Car QI wireless floor mat video. They fit perfectly in a Super Duty, and they'll fit perfectly in yours. You can adjust this tray right here to give you from 2 to 4 cup holders. And one little Easter egg very few people know about is the hidden key spot.
Ford hacks.
Ford hacks, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe because we've got a lot of Ford knowledge that your average folks just might not know. And why would you miss something in a truck as well equipped and amazing as this? With the touch of this button right here, press it back, it'll lock into place in your center console, and it reveals a USB as well as a USB-C and a Qi QI wireless charger. So super nice feature to have in a luxury truck like this. And as far as towing, getting the job done, we've been mentioning it, and this is the best truck to do it in. You've got your 4 high, your 4 low, but we've also got our integrated trailer brake with greater and lesser gain, as well as the integrated trailer backup assist. What that's going to do is work in tandem with your 360 camera. You're going to see the image of your trailer and your backup camera on this nice 12-inch digital touchscreen here. And you're actually going to use this wheel rather than your steering wheel to reverse the truck. And I'll tell you guys, this is the most connected we've seen an F350 is the 2022 F350. So you've got your bigger, improved center productivity screen there, or digital dash productivity screen there, with all of the different fixings there. So you've got truck info, digital speedometer, a million settings that make it convenient to preload your trailer in there and already have your range, your weights, everything calculated to your liking. Your integrated trailer sway is going to be kicking in. We've got our off-road gauges there, our gyroscope, our angles, everything we might need to go off-road. And we've also got our safety features, so pre-collision assist, which will also give you that automatic emergency braking if, God forbid, this beautiful, beautiful truck ever even comes close to running into another vehicle. This has the Bang & Olufsen Unleashed premium sound system. So we've got speakers integrated, super hi-fi, super high def speakers all throughout the cabin with that Bang & Olufsen branding. And this is our new Sync 4 technology package. So it's got the 12-inch screen, which gives you 2 different views. So I can be playing my tunes, in this case, Shrek the Musical, while also looking at my navigation as well. And with the touch of a button, we are dropping back our panoramic roof. It goes all the way back to your rear seats. And on a beautiful sunny southern day like this, we're going to want to have that hatch open.
Oh, yeah.
Get that good airflow. The kids are going to love it. You've got heated seats as well as cooled seats and a heated steering wheel, as well as dual climate control with digital gauges for your readout for your temperature. We do still retain the digital climate controls, physical climate controls, physical volume controls, which a lot of these bigger touchscreen having vehicles do not have any longer. You've got your integrated lane keeping assist, and with the touch of a button, even in park like we are right now, I can see my 360 top down, so I can see how close I am to curbs, other vehicles, my parking space, and there are a ton of different angles. This is our front angles, so you've got a tri-sected kind of fisheye cam, your regular front cam. We also have a bed view, which is super handy. A lot of manufacturers just aren't bringing it like Ford's bringing it, guys. I mean, it's the truth, and it always will be the truth. The Ford F-Series is the best-selling truck for decades
Past 45 years, man.
And will be for decades to come. We got another 45 coming at you. As far as drive modes, we've got a tow haul mode and eco mode for those crazy diesel gas prices in your northern high tax state. We've got our, for better performance, it's going to recommend 4-wheel drive in your snow, sand, and maybe even your slippery wet mode. But I mean, I can't think of much this truck isn't going to do. You've got your LED mirror caps so you can light up your tow mirrors with the touch of a button, blind your buddies at a stoplight. We've got automatic high beams, automatic headlights. We've even got power adjustable pedals as well as our adjustable steering wheel here. So touch of a button, your steering wheel as well as your pedals will slide back to your configuration. 3-level memory seats, so you can have 3 different drivers, push of a button. It'll set everything up exactly how they want it. And I mean, this truck is probably exactly how you'd want it. So if you need a Super Duty, a King Ranch, whatever it is, Ford vehicle, email us at certifiedcarguys.com at gmail.com for any inquiries. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe because we've got a ton of Super Duty content and it's coming from nowhere, like our dual glove box hidden right there. Kind of the stash box, if you will. Guys, this has been Jake Fry, the car guy, in a beautiful 22 F350 King Ranch with our beautiful car QI wireless floor mats, all weather, less than $200 straight from Amazon. Let us know if you're interested in one of these vehicles, and as always, be sure to like and subscribe and comment below because we want to know your thoughts on this truck. Is this how you'd order it? Are you a bigger, maybe a race red fan? Let us know. We want to hear what you want to see and what you've got. Jake Fry, the car guy with
Walker Paul Tetters.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
Talk to you guys later.